Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're on Go North East, the FDS 6148, going on the 310 to Newcastle. Here we have we are playing with an empty top deck today. Empty top deck, there's the staircase. Stopping on the 310 to Newcastle today. It's got the old moquette. It's got old ex-Brian and Hove moquette. I believe he was playing off no shield. Now this driver's down to it. What is the driver doing? I think the driver's used to driving. So we've got an empty top deck on thick 140. We shall take a tour in just a moment. Not a clue what that beeping is. Let's take a tour to the back of the vehicle. Take a back view. Stick 148 on the 310 to Newcastle. An empty top deck. This will be used, or this should be used on the FDS anyway. I'm assuming this might be on for, I don't know this forever. I've not had this DFDS. I only have two DFDS. I think 144, the blue one. Make a tour back. Take another view now. Do we have anyone embarking the service here? Nope, thankfully not. There was just one walking past. Let's see if we can carry on now to top deck into the journey. Oh god, it's tight. The tight turning that one. Oh, we do have someone embarking the service here. You'll be embarking the service. We've got one person joining us at Woodville Road. Take a tour, let's go through the front of the vehicle. Take a look, go to the front, let's take a front view. These are the turning interior. But no, please stay. No one has joined me up above. As the search upstairs is completely empty. Let's hope I can carry this on and further into the video. I embarked this down at North Shield, as you probably know, and I filmed it even North Shield. And I'll be embarking in the Coolwell Business Park, but I'll be connecting with a 309 to Whitley Bay. There's another 309, there's another 310 to North Shield, which is an unrefurbished model, the unrefurbished B9. What is this? This is operated by 6113. 310. I don't even know if it's empty or not. It's a bit squeaky. Oh look, I've got some people embarking the service here. Got some people embarking here, I think. Got two passengers here. Got one passenger, two passengers. Let me turn back just in case there's people who try to come upstairs. So we're continuing on. The two people embarked and sat down there, thank God. Don't know what that beeping is about there. Don't know what that beeping is to do. This week will surely, this is the 309, well 309 or 310 probably, but 309 will soon become Cobalt, I'll have to look, I can't even remember what it's called. Well, that's such a busy day, I can't even remember what it's called. But hey ho, empty top deck of the old ex-Brian and Hove moquette. We have someone embarking the service here. No, there are two passengers embarking here. Are those people coming upstairs or are they just coming down? Oh, we're upstairs.